In this video, I'm going to share with you our Facebook Live Valentine's Day craft, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and now is the last Saturday before Valentine's Day, so I've been preparing crafts for our Valentine's Day classes, and I tried to make it as, well, I didn't try, I made it as easy as it can be, because I wanted to be able to do this with the 2-year-olds as well. So it's super simple without restrictions, so that they can play around with different colors and paint and you know. And in the end, we can still put it together quite neatly and nicely to represent it in a nice way, to give it to maybe mommy or, I don't know, grandparents or someone. But I would also want to suggest that you would do your own crafting card for Valentine's Day if you haven't already bought a card, because this way we recycle and we don't create waste. We recycle stuff that we have already. The crafts that I'm making is recycled ones. This is from a delivery box. And if you've been watching my YouTube videos or maybe videos on the page, you would know that I do a lot of recycled material stuff. So yeah, but hey, let me turn this camera around and show you what I am up to this week with the kids. So this is what I've been preparing. And yeah, I drew a big heart on this cardboard, and then I cut out the heart with a paper knife, and then I'm gonna paint this part. And although black seems to be quite a sad color in some way, I still like using it because it's quite strong. So I'm gonna paint my frame with black. So I will still add a little bit of red to the inside of the frame. And yeah. Are you guys celebrating Valentine's Day? Or are you one of those ones that don't really like celebrating Valentine's Day? Tell us in the comments below. And are you into crafting, or do you buy cards? If you have any kind of Valentine's Day crafts that you have made that you'd like to share, you can put that in the comment section below, because I love getting inspired by other people's crafts as well, and that's kind of how you get into new ideas about what to do, because you combine it with stuff that you've seen, and then you kind of just add your own little twist to it. If you tried this one out, I would love to see that as well. So share in the comments below, or tag us on Instagram. So this, my mom says that black is quite a dramatic color, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I think it's what you combine it with as well. So I guess black alone can be quite dark. But let's see. I might add a second layer later on because it is a tiny bit transparent. So I am using acrylic paint. And you can also use poster paint, that works really well as well. And at this point, you could just let the kids test different colors and mix colors, and you can integrate color study to this and see how you make different shades and talk about primary and secondary colors. And And because this is just one straight cutout, there's no limitations in how to decorate it. So even 2-year-olds can do this. Okay, so that one is now completely black. I don't know if I should paint on the inside or not. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And for the smaller heart, I have this kind of lid, a plastic lid, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitter in here. This is quite a fun part for the kids as well, that they get to sprinkle out loads of glitter without limitations. So I put a bit of glitter in here. I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with glitter because it is quite annoying to get rid of afterwards when you're cleaning up. What I tend to do when I'm with the kids, I tend to take out Play-Doh because that's a great way to collect glitter afterwards if you get it all over the table. Because I don't know, it has this kind of texture to it that it kind of sticks to your hands, it sticks to the table. It's just a little bit annoying. And apparently there's a company in the States that sells glitter bombs. So you can buy them and order them to someone that you want to annoy. And when they open it, they're gonna have glitter everywhere. So yeah, that is why I have a love-hate relationship with glitter. But it's gonna look pretty, so never mind. So now this one is covered in PVA glue, and the glitter is in here. So you literally just press it down in glitter. And this is almost like magic for younger kids. They're like, what? How did that happen? And it kind of looks quite pretty as well. So PVA all over the heart, and then dip it down in the glitter, and it turns out quite nice like that. So I think this is gonna look quite nice against the black background, even though black comes across a little bit dramatic. If you're watching, please say hello. I can't see who you are, I only see numbers. So stick it to the main frame. So I stick it here on the side, like that. And you can use this as a picture frame. If you get a picture that you can print out, you could add that in the background. And for some of the kids that I worked with already, we drew their parents, their whole family, or their sister or their brother in the heart on a paper, and then just glued it on in the background. Now to hang this one up, I'm gonna put a string like this, and we're gonna add that here on top, like that. I don't know if you can see that. Here on the top, I might need to put tape on this. Let's see how it works, if it stays down or not. It's always a bit of experimenting when you're doing crafts to see what works. I think it's gonna stay on quite well. And this frame won't be that heavy, so it should be okay. So there, we got a loop on the top that you can hang it on the wall if you wish to. I'm gonna wash my hands quickly. There we go. And then for the background, I'm thinking to put this kind of heart paper. And that's gonna come here in the middle, like this. And then I'm gonna write a personalized message here, add it in the middle. Just write something like Happy Valentine's Day in white or gold up there. And I think it's gonna turn out quite nice. I'm really looking forward to how it's gonna go in the group class on Thursday, because they are the youngest artists, but I think it's gonna be great. They're gonna do fine. I'll share what the other kids did as well in the comments below. And if you want to, sorry you can't see me right now, so I'm going to the other side. If you want to see more about the crafts that I'm doing, crafts or paintings, you can jump onto YouTube. I'll put a link below, and check out the other videos over there. And yeah, that's about it. Have a lovely weekend, and see, now I'm getting that glitter everywhere again. Yeah, anyways, have fun on Valentine's Day, and if you're doing crafts, share it. Bye. Don't tell my mom, but she was right. It looked a bit too dramatic, so I decided to go over it with a little bit of color on a sponge. So this is the outcome.